Feeling lost is one of the worst places to be. You wake up, but you don't feel excited. You try to focus, but your mind feels scattered. You want to change your life, but you don't even know where to start. And slowly, you begin to feel stuck. But here's the truth no one tells you. Feeling lost is not the end. It's a signal. A signal that your current life is no longer aligned with who you want to become. And that means one thing. You are ready for change. Rebuilding your life doesn't happen overnight. It happens step by step. First, you need to pause and reset. Stop rushing. Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop overthinking every little detail. Take a moment to breathe and accept where you are right now, because you can't rebuild your life if you keep running from it. Next, focus on clarity, not perfection. You don't need a perfect plan, you just need direction. Ask yourself a simple question. What kind of life do I actually want? Even a small answer is enough to start moving forward. Once you have direction, shift your focus to small actions. When life feels messy, don't try to fix everything at once. Just fix one thing, one habit, one task, one small win. Because small actions rebuild confidence, and confidence creates momentum. At the same time, start removing what's draining your energy. Whether it's toxic habits, endless scrolling, or a negative environment, these things keep you stuck. Let them go, even if it feels uncomfortable. Growth always requires letting go of something. Now build a simple routine, not something perfect or unrealistic, just a basic structure you can follow every day. Wake up with intention, complete one important task, move your body, and take a few minutes at night to reflect. Simple actions, repeated daily, create powerful change, and most importantly, be patient with yourself. You didn't lose your direction in one day, so you won't rebuild your life in one day either. Growth takes time. There will be days when you feel lost again, and that's completely normal. What matters is that you keep moving, even if it's slow, even if it's imperfect, because every small step forward is still progress. Remember this, you are not lost forever. You are just in the process of rebuilding. And one day, you'll look back at this phase and realize, this is where everything changed.